Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Yeah, how was your week? Mine was very blissful. It was beautiful. So I want to welcome every one of you, my returning subscribers, my returning viewers, and if you are looking at this channel for the first time, you're very welcome. I just want to say thank you to every one of you for growing this channel with me. Please don't stop, keep sharing, keep telling people about this channel, because we have a lot to learn on this channel. Yep, I'm going to be sharing a lot of continental dishes and African dishes on this channel. Please stay tuned, and today we are going to make let's see if you can make a guess. We can make our scones today. So I have all my ingredients here, and I'm going to show you guys my ingredients now. Introduce you to my ingredients right away. Scone is very easy to make. It is very easy. It takes less than 30 minutes, let's say 30 minutes maximum to make, and it's very nice to eat. You can eat it with anything like tea, your coffee. It's very handy. You can have it in the fridge for the children to just take it at their own will and eat. So there are different types of scones. You can have plain scone and you can have fruit scones. So there are different dry fruits that you can put in your scone. It depends on the type of fruits that you like. So any dry fruits will be fine. You understand? Okay. So I don't think, no, you can't use fresh fruits, because the water will mess the dough. It will mess it up. So it will make it to become soggy. So you only have to use dry fruits. So you can use dates, you can use raisins, you can use apricots, you can use coconuts, anything, any fruit of your choice, whatever fruit that you know that you like, but it has to be dry. It has to be dry one. All right. So, but we don't like fruit cake. People, yeah, you can use cherry, because that one is very common in the store. You have cherry scones. We don't use any fruits in we don't add fruits in our scones because we like it plain. My children doesn't like fruit scones. So I am not going to bake this scone with fruits. But you can add your fruits, whatever fruits you like can be added to your scones. Now, let's get started. I'm going to introduce you to my ingredients. So these are my ingredients. I have 150 grams of butter here. I have 80 grams of sugar. Actually, when you have, so I have 500 grams of flour. So when you have 500 grams of flour, it's supposed to be like 150 grams of sugar. But because I want to eat without feeling guilty, I'm going to use 75 grams of sugar. Yeah, this is 75. So I'm going to use 75. So that means I toned down my own sugar. But you can add to your sugar. You can do your sugar is according to your taste, according to your desire. So that is that. These are my cutters. So I'm going to use, I have different sizes here. So the size that you want your scones to be depends on your choice. So for me, I don't like it too big and I don't like it too small. So I usually use this size. I like to use this size. So I have 100 ml of fresh milk here. Whole milk. I have 1 egg for glazing. My brush, spatula, wooden spoon, and my rolling pin. Now I have my sieve here and my big bowl for mixing. So let's get started. Inside your big bowl, swift your flour in here, just to incorporate air into it. That's just, and to get out everything that is not all the rubbish in it. There could be dirt inside it, so it will help you get them out. If there's any lump in it, this method will help you get rid of all these things that is not palatable. Let's see what we have out. My hands are washed, so now the next step is for me to cut in my butter. Combine the sugar with it, so there is one trick when you are mixing scones. You are not going to be too hard on it. If you rub it too hard, the scone will be so hard. When you are eating it, it will not be fluffy. So this is how to do it. Gentle hand, just to rub it together. Can you see what I'm doing? So you do it slightly, shove it up like this. You're mixing it with the butter and the sugar, combining it, but not in a hard way. No. Do it nicely. And I've preheated the oven to 170. So it has to look like breadcrumbs. Soft hand, make good dough. Soft hand, soft hand. Don't be too harsh on it. Don't be too hard on it. We're not going to rub it together. Do it nicely, gently. That's it. Now, so we're going to make it very, make it well. Just press it back and add your milk. And there is something that I do with my milk. I don't add the 100 ml at a go because I don't know if it will be too much or anything. So you add it gradually. You add gradually. So I'll leave that out and continue mixing. I add more again. Now it is well combined. This is it. We have our dough here. So, yeah, I think it's okay for me like this. This is it now. Yeah, so my surface is clean, but I'm going to wipe it again. I'm going to use my dining table as my work surface. It has been cleaned before I started doing it, but I just want to clean it again. So you dust your work surface. Now, so you transfer your dough onto your work surface and see what I'm doing. Gently and nicely. So upside down again. So we're trying to get 1 centimeter thick. The thickness has to be 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. So we're not going to flatten it that much. Just going to make it like we must have 1 centimeter thickness for us to get a very beautiful dough scone. Yeah, I think this is okay. So now it's time to cut. So look at my cutter. It has this wrong scalloping edges and it has the straight one. I like to use this part. So you cut. Keep cutting. My prepared oven tray, it goes into the oven. It is very, very simple to make and it's so lovely with tea. This is it now. ready to go into the oven. But I think I will need to separate them just to make space for it, because it's still going to swell and to rise. So I'm going to transfer some here so that there will be space for each. I'll crack 1 egg into it to glaze it. Some people only use egg. Some people use only egg. They don't add milk. I like to add milk when I'm doing my own, because it makes it a little bit, it doesn't make the top to be hard. If it is only egg, it may be hard a bit, but when you add milk with it, it softens it and makes it to be golden brown, and it will not be that very hard. So that's the trick. My scones are ready to open. Now all they go into the oven. So the oven is on 170, so we're going to leave it for 20 minutes. 20 minutes, then we'll check back. But it doesn't take more than 20 minutes anyway to cook, so we'll see you guys later in 20 minutes. Now our scones are ready. Look at that, guys. Now look at that, guys. Our scone is ready. Ready. Look at my baby scone. Let's try with my baby scone. Lovely. Here we go. Lovely scone. Now we have our scone here, guys. Let me drop my knife. We have our scones here, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. So you can eat it in your desired way. I usually eat mine with, I love strawberry jam. So we're going to cut our scone now to see the inside. Beautiful, isn't it? It's lovely. So I'm going to serve myself one. You can add butter if you want, but because I baked it with butter, I'm not going to use butter again. Get your cappuccino prepared, your coffee, your hot chocolate, or you can even use water. It doesn't matter. It is very lovely that anything can be eaten with it. It took only 30 minutes to bake, just 30 minutes. And the mixing is around 10 minutes, I think. 10 minutes you finish mixing. So everything all together is 40 minutes or less. So let me show you. Awesome. Look at that. I still have my birthday decoration up there. My children said, my daughter said she's not going to take it off until after 2 weeks. So we're still celebrating. This is so beautiful, guys. Try it and let me know. So now this is how I store it in the fridge. We just come there whenever we need it, take one and warm it. So the children will be able to hold it. I think this is too big. So this is it. I'll cover it now and put it in the fridge for whoever wants to eat. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe If you are subscribed, please share with your family and your friends. Let's grow this channel together. And until I come your way, until I come on your screen next time, this is your friend Bola saying bye bye. Love you guys. Bye.